Yeah, g'day, it's Chriso. The owner just brought to my attention something that, because I do this all the time, I hadn't really thought of it, or it's just one of those things that you do anyway. But see the mark on the tape, just below 550. I just went around my shower base this morning. It's right on that mark, running around the whole shower floor. It is completely level, and the owner said to me, "You are a true tradesman," which is pretty cool to hear, but that's what it's all about. And you get to even have a buzz yourself when things come out nice, because the whole shower floor is sloping, but it's completely level all the way around. So what I'm trying to do is teach you people. It's time to lean in and listen. See ya. Bye.